Installing and activating your HOLASIM eSIM on a Google Pixel is really simple. Remember to install your eSIM a few hours before your trip, and only activate it once you arrive at your destination. Once you've made your purchase on our website, we'll send you an email with everything you need to know to complete the process. Let's get started. Grab your phone and make sure you have a stable internet connection such as Wi-Fi or mobile data. Go to Settings, Network and Internet. Tap the plus icon next to your main mobile plan to add your new HOLASIM plan. At the bottom of the screen, tap Download a SIM instead. A message will appear asking if you want to use 2 SIMs. Tap Yes. Wait a few seconds and continue the process. You now have 2 options: install with a QR code or install manually. To install with a QR code, you must have access to the code we sent you by email either on another device or print it out and position the QR code in the box shown on screen. Wait a few seconds for the system to detect your new mobile plan. If you don't have another device or printed QR code, you can carry out the installation manually at the bottom of the same Need Help option. There you will find an option to install your eSIM manually. Now find and select the option that says Enter it manually. Copy and paste the manual installation code for Android that we emailed you in the appropriate field. Tap Continue and wait a few seconds. The system will identify your HOLASIM plan. Tap Download to add it to your device. Great! Your eSIM is now installed. You've already arrived at your destination. It's time to activate your eSIM. Go back to Settings, then Network and Internet, and finally, SIMs. Select your new HOLASIM plan from the list. Activate your eSIM by tapping the Use SIM option. Press HOLASIM again to confirm that you want to use it for mobile data. Scroll down to find the roaming option and activate it. If your plan includes calls, tap Calling Preference and set HOLASIM as your default line for calls. Important: go back to the SIM list and select your main line. We recommend deactivating it. This will prevent extra roaming charges on your bill. And that's it. Your HOLASIM eSIM is now active. Connected again. Let's go. If you need help, our customer support team is available 24/7 via chat. We're here to keep you connected wherever you go. Hola World. HOLASIM.